In this video, I'm going to show you how to move Instagram highlights to archive. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram application and at the bottom right, hit on your profile picture. Now, there hit on that three lines icon and here hit on archive. Now, at the top, hit on Post Archive and there select Stories Archive. Next, tap on this three dots icon and select Settings. And there all you have to do in order to move Instagram highlights to archive is to enable that option, Save Story to Archive. Just hit on that switcher and enable that option. And from now your stories and highlights will be automatically saved in here in Stories Archive and you can easily go there and watch them. That's all about how to move Instagram highlights to archive. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.